Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening. What is your name?
My name is Elsa.
How old are you?
I'm 13 years old.
Now let us have the speaking test for weather in seasons. What's the weather like today in your city?
It's rainy and sunny in Hanoi.
Now, what clothes do you normally wear on a sunny day?
I normally wear t-shirt and shorts on a sunny day.
What clothes do you normally wear on a rainy day?
I normally wear shoulder and t-shirt on rainy day.
What are the four seasons?
The four seasons is spring, winter, summer, and autumn.
What special things can you do in spring?
I can be in spring.
What can you see in summer? What can you see in summer?
I can trees.
I can see.
I can see trees in summer.
What can you eat in autumn?
I can eat mooncake in autumn.
What can you do in winter?
Okay.
What can you do in winter?
I can sleep in winter.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season autumn because of full color.
Okay. Now that's all for tonight. Also, thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye.